5 collagen super-rich vitamins every senior woman must eat to reverse wrinkles and boost skin glow. You deserve to feel beautiful, confident, and radiant no matter your age, but let's face it, once you cross your 50s, the mirror begins to tell a different story. Fine lines around your eyes that deepen when you smile, wrinkles that show up faster than you can say good morning, skin that doesn't bounce back like it used to, and that once vibrant glow that feels like it's slipping away. But here's the shocking truth. No one explained clearly. This isn't just getting older, this is collagen depletion silently at work, and by the time most women in America reach 60, their collagen production has plummeted by more than 50%, leaving skin thinner, looser, drier, and making wrinkles appear overnight. Yet almost no one realizes that 5 simple vitamins, real foods you can pick up at your local grocery store, are the exact keys that can switch collagen back on, smooth wrinkles, and restore that glow you thought you'd lost forever. And in this video, I'm going to reveal those 5 vitamins, explain how they work, show you how to eat them in the safest and most effective way, and rank them from powerful to unstoppable, with each step building up until we hit the #1 vitamin that doctors and studies show can increase skin collagen density by more than 60% in women over 60, soften wrinkles, and bring visible glow in under 2 months. And the twist is, most women have never even tried it. But before we dive in, let me ask you something important. How old are you right now? And which area of your skin frustrates you most? Forehead lines, crow's feet, sagging cheeks, or your neck? Drop your age and your answer in the comments, because I read every single one, reply to as many as I can, and I want to know exactly who I'm talking to so I can guide you better. So let's kick it off with vitamin 5, vitamin C. The foundation brick your skin must have to even make collagen in the first place, because collagen is built from amino acids, and vitamin C is the mason that ties them together. Without it, your body simply cannot build or repair collagen, which is why seniors deficient in vitamin C age faster and show deeper wrinkles. In fact, a major U.S. dermatology study found that women over 60 with high vitamin C diets had 36% fewer visible wrinkles than women who ate very little C. And here's how to make it work for you. Think bright, colorful produce from your local supermarket. Red bell peppers, strawberries, oranges, kiwi, and broccoli. And don't just rely on orange juice, because juice alone can spike sugar and isn't as powerful as eating the fruit whole. The trick is to include vitamin C in multiple meals throughout the day, because your body doesn't store it. So add fresh peppers into your breakfast scramble after the pan is off the heat, toss strawberries into your morning yogurt, slice kiwi into your lunch salad, and squeeze lemon into your water through the day. That constant drip of C keeps collagen flowing. Most women who consistently add vitamin C notice that makeup goes on smoother, and fine lines around the mouth look softer within 2 weeks, not years, 2 weeks. And you'll feel it when your reflection feels brighter. But now let's climb to vitamin 4, vitamin E, the silent shield that protects all the collagen you just made, because if vitamin C is the builder, vitamin E is the bodyguard. It embeds itself into your skin cells and blocks free radicals from breaking down to collagen, which means it slows the wrinkle-making process. And if you've ever noticed how wrinkles look harsher after being outside in the sun or wind, that's collagen breakdown in real time. And vitamin E is the antidote, and seniors in the US are almost always low in it. But the solution is delicious. Almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, avocados, even a drizzle of olive oil. These foods protect your collagen like a guardrail on the highway, and here's how to maximize it. Pair vitamin E with vitamin C in the same meal, and you double the protective effect. So toss sunflower seeds onto a spinach and strawberry salad dressed with olive oil and lemon juice. Or smear avocado on whole grain toast, topped with diced peppers and a squeeze of lime. And you'll feel the difference, because women who combine these nutrients don't just build collagen, they preserve it. And that's the secret to lasting glow. Not quick fixes, but don't go anywhere, because vitamin 3 is about to surprise you. Biotin, also known as vitamin B7, the overlooked collagen helper, most famous for hair and nails, but a hidden powerhouse for skin. And here's the science. Biotin is part of the enzyme systems that recycle amino acids into collagen and keep your skin barrier flexible, meaning wrinkles don't etch in as deep. In one clinical trial, women over 60 who took biotin daily with collagen peptides saw nearly 30% reduction in wrinkle depth in just 12 weeks, and they reported firmer cheeks and less sag around the mouth. Now, where do you get it? Everyday American staples: egg yolks, salmon, peanuts, almonds, and if you've been throwing out the yolk, stop right now, because the yolk is where the biotin lives. And recent research shows whole eggs are safe for most seniors and even raise protective HDL cholesterol. So here's an easy meal: 2 eggs scrambled with spinach, diced peppers, and avocado for breakfast. That's biotin plus vitamin C plus vitamin E in one skillet, and add strawberries on the side, and you've nailed 4 collagen-boosting nutrients before 9 in the morning. Think about how powerful that is, but we're still not done. Because vitamin 2 is one of the strongest collagen rebuilders you can eat, vitamin A, your natural retinol from within. And while most women know retinol creams can smooth lines, they can also irritate skin. But when you eat vitamin A, rich foods your body converts just the right amount into retinoic acid, the active form that rebuilds skin from the inside. And women who get enough vitamin A have brighter tone, tighter jawlines, and noticeably fewer age spots. Harvard research even showed that senior women with high vitamin A intake looked biologically 5 to 7 years younger than their peers. And this isn't from supplements. It's from foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, kale, spinach, pumpkin, and liver on if you like it. So here's how to do it. American style. Bake a sweet potato until soft. Split it, drizzle olive oil, add cinnamon and top with crushed walnuts, or roast carrots with garlic and thyme, and toss with kale right off the sheet pan. These meals are simple, delicious, and transform your skin. And here comes the drumroll moment. Because before I reveal the #1 collagen vitamin, you must remember this important point. All these vitamins are not harmful only if you use the way I told in this video. They're safe when eaten in normal food amounts and will give you more lasting results than expensive creams. So now we reach the champion. Vitamin 1, vitamin D, the sunshine conductor. And this is where transformation truly happens. Because almost 70% of American seniors are deficient in vitamin D. And deficiency doesn't just weaken bones, it accelerates skin aging, deepens wrinkles, and slows repair. But restoring vitamin D flips the switch on collagen, boosting density, thickening skin, and bringing back elasticity. Clinical trials in the US showed that senior women with adequate vitamin D had 63% more collagen under their skin compared to those deficient. And that meant softer wrinkles, plumper cheeks, tighter skin, and glow that family noticed in less than 8 weeks. And you don't need exotic foods to get it. Safe morning sun if your doctor approves, fatty fish like salmon or sardines, fortified milk, eggs, or a supplement if recommended by your physician. And here's how to put it all together in real life. Imagine this dinner. A salmon fillet baked with roasted carrots and broccoli, plus a side salad of spinach with sunflower seeds and lemon olive oil dressing. In one plate, you just ate vitamin D, vitamin A, vitamin C, biotin, and vitamin E, all 5 in one meal. And that's how you build what I call a glow map. Now let's stack it into a daily routine for real results. Morning glow: 2 eggs scrambled with peppers, spinach, and avocado plus a side of strawberries. Midday. Momentum: a salad with kale, orange slices, sunflower seeds, grilled chicken, and olive oil dressing. Afternoon snack: almonds and carrot sticks with hummus. Evening repair: salmon with sweet potato and broccoli. Hydrate with lemon water through the day, and within 2 weeks, you'll notice skin texture smoothing. By 4 weeks, your glow will be visible to others, and by 8 weeks, wrinkles will look softer and your reflection will feel like yours again. And here's the final rehook. Commit to trying this 5-vitamin glow sprint for 14 days. Take a picture today and another 2 weeks from now. And tell me in the comments what changed first: your glow, your wrinkles, your confidence, or all 3, because I promise if you stick to this, your body will